Good afternoon, fans. Good evening and good morning, depending on the country you are watching us from. You're highly welcome to my channel. As you can see, this is a building construction. It's a gatehouse, and we are about to design the gatehouse. This artwork, you can see the production. At the production stage, you can see. So we are about to develop this estate. It's an estate, you can see. It's very big and very large. We are live in Ogun State, Mowe. You can also contact us for your projects. If you have a project you want us to develop for you, you can also contact us for your roofing, for your precast parapet, your POP ceiling. We are always at your service. Our finishing is our voice. We don't delay. We have a professional workers. We travel to different states. Distance is not a barrier. It doesn't matter whether you are in Nigeria or not. Just give us a try. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and also subscribe for more videos.